Voyageurs National Park in northern Minnesota sees plenty of anglers coming in to ice fish. But the way many of them cross the frozen lakes goes against federal regulation. So now park staff is looking to change that. While some people use snowmobiles, others are now taking larger vehicles and shelters on Voyageurs lakes. National Park Service leaders say that poses a risk to safety and natural resources. This new plan would develop rules for ATVs and other off-road vehicles. The first public meeting is being held from 5 to 7 tonight at the Cabotogama Community Building. There's a virtual meeting tomorrow evening and another Thursday in International Falls. We have more details on our website.